Hello, this is iMobi. If you want to turn off camera sound, this video will help you do. Firstly, please open the software and click More Tools, then click the Turn Off Camera Sound function, connect the device, and click Start Now. Click to start jailbreak, then follow the pop-up instructions to restore the device to an unactivated state. Then click Start Jailbreak again, and the device will enter recovery mode. At the same time, please pay attention to the status of your device and operate the device in time. After entering recovery mode, please follow the software page to enter DFU mode. Then the software will automatically jailbreak. During this process, please pay attention to the software page prompts and device page changes. This process takes time, so please wait patiently. Then click Turn Off Now. The device will enter recovery mode again. Then please follow the software page to operate the device to enter DFU mode again. The software will automatically enter the Turn Off Camera Sound function. During this process, please pay attention to the software page prompts and device page changes. This process takes time, so please wait patiently. When the page shows that the Turn Off Camera Sound process is done, please press the Home button of the device, and then set the device to check whether the camera sound has been successfully removed.